Welcome back to the Bike Boot channel. Today we're going to do a unboxing and a quick install of the XFMT low profile leather seat, plain passenger rider seat. Basically it's the CVO knockoff for $99 off of Amazon. Rear pillion pad, strap, the main seat, and the hardware and instructions. Alright, I moved it outside because I couldn't see anything inside. Remove these two bolts. We're going to use these bolts here because the pillion seat's going to slide into them. Install the seat, push it in good and tight. Then you use the supply bolts. That's what they look like installed. So these little spots is where the pillion seat's going to slide into. I'm going to put a rag here so I don't scratch my fender. This little fork ends here. I'm going to slide into these grooves. Make sure it's in. Put the seat screw in. Alright, so I got the seat installed. I took it for a little ride and it is not comfortable. It's hard, but that was to be expected. This is a bike night seat. This is not a cross-country seat. Again, it's the knockoff CVO seat, the China seat for $99. Quick install, it was like 10 minutes. Looks great, but again, I wouldn't ride anywhere with it. This is just for staying local. I have other seats. I got a touring seat that I use for long distance. But if you like this video and others like it, hit the like and subscribe button, and catch you later.